Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the Servoturn 500-1000 Universal Lathe. The combination of a well-established machine base and the latest feed technology makes switching to a servo conventional lathe even more attractive. The heavily ribbed machine frame with its wide, hardened prism bed guides is designed for heavy-duty machining and is available with 2 center heights and 3 center distances of up to 2 meters in length. The modern design machine housing offers an excellent compromise between protection and accessibility. The large opening in the splash guard can be very useful when setting up large workpieces. Servo conventional machines are very popular because of the intuitive operation known from conventional machines. Each hand wheel movement is implemented by the powerful servo motors and ball screws with the precision and dynamics of modern CNC machines. The main spindle speed may be infinitely adjusted in 2 ranges. A spindle load indicator shows the operator the potential of the machine without the risk of overloading it. During processing, the feed can be infinitely adjusted between 50 and 100% with the override potentiometer. Rapid traverses reduce non-productive times and make machine handling easier. Stop positions may be set electronically at the push of a button, precisely and without mechanical stress on the machine. For the selection of the feeds and thread pitch, no tables have to be studied and no gears have to be exchanged. The entire range of pitches may be easily selected using rotary switches on the headstock. End stops may also be set for thread cutting and thread is found again automatically. The entire processing is therefore easier, safer and inspires beginners as well as experienced operators. The standard quick change tool holder makes working with the machine flexible and productive. The steady rest and the stable tailstock support long workpieces during machining. The central lubrication on the support supplies all guideways with lubricant and simplifies maintenance of the machine. The coolant tank has a large capacity and is very easy to access. The Servoturn lathe is equipped with the latest generation of our position displays as standard. By integrating all functions on one chip, it is more compact and reliable than ever. V constant. The spindle speed is automatically updated to the changing workpiece diameter during the face turning. The almost constant cutting speed on the cutting edge of the lathe enables a surface quality that is comparable to the turning results of the CNC lathes. Here at KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer additional accessories and a large number of high-performance lathes in almost all sizes. Contact your nearest KNUTH representative today to find out the best solution for your business.